Hey guys, it's Adrian. In this video, I want to show you the strategy, one of my strategies that I use to trade the Forex market. And I believe is a good strategy because I've been winning trades lately using my strategy. Okay, the first thing I look at when I trade is the chart. If it's an uptrend or a downtrend, that you can see is an uptrend. Okay, second thing is I put my moving average here, guys. Now the green moving average is the 20 moving average. The black moving average is the 50 moving average, and the red is the 200 moving average. Now you know that when you put the 20 moving average right here, long as if the blue candles don't break this 20 moving average right here, guys, you're good on a daily time chart, guys. On a daily, you know it's a strong trend. Then you want to make sure again by placing your 200 moving average right here to make sure it's an uptrend. So that's why there's a red moving average of 200 is right here, guys. Then you want to draw your trend line right here, guys. Make sure it's hitting at least 3 or 4 candles. So it hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 right here. And then you want to look at the past, how far was the resistance, with it's hitting the blue candle and then going down. So it's almost hitting it right here. I just got out of this trade because, it can go down because it hit it right here and went down. It hit it right here and went all the way down, guys. So I got out of the trade. I made my money real quick and I'm going to wait what it do. Now, before I enter the trade again, it got to break this high right here, this needle right here. Then I know it want to continue the uptrend. What else I can tell you? Another thing, it's going to become a weak trend, guys. If this blue candle go past this 20, right, and then and then the sell hit the 50, and then definitely hit the 200. For example, I'm going to show you something like this. If it break down the 20, if it break down the 50, you know they want to go down, guys. So that's how I'm watching this uptrend right here. Now I'm gonna show you guys the true trend, guys. Now this is a daily chart. This is if you're a day trader. But let's go to the week chart real quick. One whole week. Now on a week chart, each candle represents 1 week of price action. Now you see the overall picture is a downtrend. See that? Because it's under the red the 200 moving average right there. So overall, it's a downtrend. Now let's look at how high the buys came in. Right here. And right now the price is right here. So I'm just waiting. If it's a truly uptrend, it will go all the way to the top. But if it's just testing, what it's gonna do is it's gonna ride it back down to what it is, to right here. So guys, this is a quick little video about my strategies, guys, how I trade the Forex. And I'm loving it because I can it's like the matrix to me, I can see money. You know what I mean? Like, okay, get in and get out. Boom. And you can see my trend, my uptrend right here. Or downtrend line right here. See, if it break this trend line in about a week or two, I know it's want to go all the way back up to this right here, to at least right, you know what I'm saying, up here to right here. That's a lot of pips. So I will know in about a week or so. But I'm just taking the buys right now because I'm a day trader. But I will know in a week or so what the next candle gonna do. Like right here, it's gonna go right here, or it's gonna bring it back down. Then if it passed this right here, this week right here, I know it's definitely it's a downtrend, and it's continuing to be a downtrend. because overall on a weekly chart, guys, is a downtrend. On a daily chart is an uptrend. See, it's an uptrend. So this is the fun thing about Forex, guys. Once you get your little system together, and everybody's system is different. I'm just showing you mine. I don't I don't trade on using moving average alone, guys. I just use them to help me guide me through what directions the candles are moving. But my main thing I use is my trend line right here, my support and resistance line, and actually, visual and understanding how the candles moving and knowing the price action of these candles. So that's how I trade, guys, and it's a skill set, and I'm also trying to get better and better because learning how to trade, that's a lifetime. Once you get better, you always can improve. I don't care how many years you've been trading. You always can improve your trading techniques. All right, guys. Once again, do a quick little video with your boy Adrian. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like, and I'll see y'all next video, guys. Peace.